Good afternoon. Those of you that know Veda Playa will know I'm on the bridge here, just near the beach. Now it's going to get noisy because they are out. They are spreading the sand at the further end, and this happens quite regularly, and big sand clouds. And obviously where our apartment is, we are dusting the windows, the terrace, the balcony almost daily at the moment. But it's nice they maintain the beach. So not moaning, just doing a video because it's another first. We are walking to medical centre to book a doctor's appointment. I know it doesn't sound very exciting, but actually having not done it before, it is a bit like, oh, are we going to manage to do this? We've been in this medical centre before, asked about the GP, but didn't realise there's lots of different things inside the medical centre. And she was like, no, you can't use your card here. And then I realised I had to go to a different reception. So I'm going to try that today. Wish us luck. Hopefully I will come away with a doctor's appointment. Take care for now.